Hello to my YouTube subscribers. How are you doing today? I'm actually going to be making and bringing a quick and easy recipe, trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. We're going to be doing a quick and easy Instant Pot recipe. If you don't have an Instant Pot, don't worry guys, you can still do the same recipe. The Instant Pot I use a lot of, very healthy cooking, easy cooking. It just makes life that much simpler. The Instant Pot is a pressure cooker. I'm going to use the pressure cooker side of this to make my broth. So I'm going to pause, and keep this video moving fast, alright? Thank you to all my subscribers. If you like to keep up with me on my easy cooking with a passion, I'm going to actually make a lot of healthy foods here. So today, let's get this started. Okay guys, I'm going to be using I think this is a 6-quart Instant Pot, I'm not sure. But if it is, if it ain't, right? So today I'm gonna have this sanitizer ready to roll. I'm gonna take my chicken, which is washed, clean, and fresh. I'm using skinless chicken breast. Honestly, my grandpa always told me to get a good stew. You need to make or use a chicken on a bone. I tend to use a little different because I'm trying to stick to all white meat products. Such as chicken breast. I'm going to actually use a block of chicken bouillon because I don't want it to be too salty. I'm trying to stay away from sodium. I'm going to add my garlic powder. And of course, Southern folks, which I'm not, soul food cookers don't ever measure. So then I'm going to use some parsley, which we'll use again. Sea salt, trying to keep it very light, so make sure you don't use a lot because sea salt is kind of 3 dashes. Onion chives. What I'm doing is I'm going to make my broth. This is quick and easy too. We have all these ingredients. This is actually going to make a great broth for your cooking. I'll run some quick hot water. And then I'm going to add about 2 cups of water into this. I don't want too much, but just enough. To get your tasty broth going on, I dice my onions up along with your green peppers. What I'm going to do is pause this film, come back, and actually add the potatoes. And I know it sounds kind of backwards, but I need the broth first in order to marinate the potatoes. Do it the way you want, but I promise you, this won't take more than like 10 minutes in the pressure cooker to cook the chicken and the potatoes. I'll be right back. So it only took about 15 minutes to get this popping. I'm using a Instant Pot pressure cooker. Now it smells really good. I'm going to use a little bit of cilantro. You don't have to cut them up. If you want to cut them up, you can. I just want to give the meat and the last part of it, which is going to be the carrots and the potatoes, a little flavor. Just from the smell of this doesn't need any more flavor. The good part about the Instant Pot is that it has a safety mechanism. It won't burn yourself, it won't let you crazy enough to keep going, but it won't let you unlock it until the pressure is lifted. I'm sure a lot of you don't folks are like, wow, they're making it too easy for us to cook, right? So as you see, once the air lit up, this is the quick and easy pressure, or you can wait for it to go down. Anyway, I want to show you how everything is looking. Basically, I'm trying to make the broth. Let's go in as you can see. And it should, it's letting me know that there's still too much pressure. Now I can unlock it. So I want to just show you. Already ready to go. Meat is ready. There's a broth up to you again on how much sodium you're going to use, but this is the chicken that's coming out of here. Alright, so we use parsley, and I'm going to add my fresh washed cilantro. I don't want to put a lot in it. I'm going to be honest with you, just doing it for flavor. I add my potatoes to it, and then I add my carrots and put this on for about another 15 minutes. I just wanted to get the meat going to kind of give it some more flavor and get the actual meat marinated right. So that way when we put the carrots and potatoes in, you can add celery, you can add all kinds of other items you want. Just going to add a little bit more sea salt to this. Be careful with sea salt. Remember, 1, 2, 3 shakes there. A couple of shakes. This is done, I'll show you the actual final product. Alright, so we put this air on, apply pressure. There is a stew button if you just want to stew it. Trash that, but if you just want to slowly stew it out, there is a stew button. Make sure you close your lid back on your pressure cooker. This is already built pressure. Alright, actually, let me cancel this one before it goes too far. I forgot to add black pepper in it. It's up to you. I'm going to add a little black pepper so it looks just for a little heat. Alright. So, now push start. That's how quick push cancel before the pressure gets got yourself. I'm going to come back with the final product. Again, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please check me out on Facebook at Easy Cooking with a Passion, or tweet me at Chef Mcfadden, or you can also tweet me at Easy Cooking with a Passion. Again, I'm going to come back with the final product. Quick and easy jasmine rice. I'll show you how to make it in this pressure cooker, and that we will use a little